Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. I'm Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This particular boat is powered by twin Mercury 350 horsepower Verado motors with joystick piloting. Boarding the vessel, you'll notice a telescoping boarding ladder, fish boxes to either side. And this is just a fantastic vessel for either fishing or family cruising. As you can see now, our integrated side and transom seating are deployed. Boston Whaler does a magnificent job really integrating this into the vessel. Nothing they do is bolt on. It's really just engineered into the vessel from the ground up. So easily convertible. When you're looking to do a day of fishing, simply stow the seats, 28-gallon live well in the back, and this particular boat does have the optional summer kitchen, which includes a grill. Again, easily stores away to make plenty of room for fishing. Passenger chair is actually reversible for a trolling seat to offer forward-facing seating or convert it to a lounge. Sink and refrigerator to the starboard side. And this vessel is equipped with a generator and AC, so you can keep the cockpit air conditioned. You can duck in out of the sun and stay comfortable. Again, joystick piloting, which makes docking in challenging situations much easier. It's also integrated joystick autopilot as well as skyhook to keep you in place. Moving down to the cabin, very functional cabin for a 31-foot walk around. Forward seating area converts to a berth in a matter of 30 seconds. To the port side, we have a sink, stove, refrigerator, microwave, and TV. Another thing Boston Whaler did very well with this model is open up the staircase to the aft cabin to provide a much more open environment for sleeping. And we can finish off the tour with a shot of the wet head, which is sink. Also offers as a shower and a vacuum flush head. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others we have in stock, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland, MarineMax Clearwater, 813-503-2649, or direct to the store, 727-536-2628. Thank you.